Look at this big baby here. Look at this big baby, 26 days old. Look at him. His head looks a little bit small relative to his body to me right now. Got big feet and it looks like a little head. What are you doing, big baby? What do you do? What do you do? You the big baby. He's not camera shy. He knows he's a star. He knows he's a star. He's not camera shy. He knows what the camera is. He's used to the cameras being around him. He knows he's a big star. Yes, he knows he's a big star. Yes, Oh, is Daddy teasing you? Daddy's not gonna feed you? Daddy acting like he's got something for you? Let Daddy get something for you. Let Daddy get something for you. Let Daddy get something for you. Ooh, there's one little small little greenie. Look at this little greenie. I'm gonna feed this guy. Let's feed this guy. Yeah, he's eating that greenie. He's eating that thing. You get it down already? Well, here's another one for you, little guy. Here's another one for you, little guy. Got it, good. Give him a little bigger piece. Now, he chewed on a piece like this size yesterday. And then he ended up spitting it out. Similar to how he chewed on, I got him a little micro speck of bread. Well, what happened to it? Did you eat that? Did you eat that already? Give him another. Let's give him this yellow kind of disc-shaped one. Let's see what he does with this. Ooh, that's all right. Yeah. You getting it? Are we going to beat it? Well, I don't see you chewing it anymore. I don't see it on the floor. They think you ate it. Let's give him another piece. Let's give him another piece. Where's a piece that's good size for him? What about this little orange in here? Let's give him this little orange pellet. You're eating them, baby. Wow, you're eating them. Big baby.